Life's demands can often feel like an endless treadmill, leaving us feeling stressed and overwhelmed. But there's a path towards tranquility, a way to find inner peace and healing, even amidst the chaos. It might sound too good to be true, but this path is surprisingly simple and accessible to everyone. In this video, we'll uncover a daily practice that can transform your life from the inside out. We'll dispel common misconceptions about meditation, showing you how it can be easy, enjoyable, and fit seamlessly into your busy schedule. You'll learn a technique that even beginners can master, and discover how just a few minutes each day can unlock a world of calm, joy, and well-being. Get ready to go on a journey of self-discovery, where inner peace isn't a distant dream, but a daily reality. The path to inner peace is often paved with good intentions, yet many stumble over the same hurdles. Traditional meditation, while undeniably valuable, can be shrouded in misconceptions that deter us before we even begin. It's easy to fall into the trap of believing that meditation is an arduous task, reserved only for those with monk-like discipline. We picture ourselves sitting cross-legged on a mountaintop, struggling to silence a mind that refuses to cooperate. This image, while evocative, is far from reality. The truth is, meditation isn't about emptying your mind completely. It's about recognizing when your thoughts wander and gently guiding them back to the present moment. It's a practice of acceptance, not force. Another common myth is that meditation requires hours of dedicated time. In today's fast-paced world, who has hours to spare? This misconception often leads to discouragement, as we feel we can't meet the unrealistic expectations. The reality is, even a few minutes of meditation can make a difference. It's not about the quantity of time, but the quality of your attention. Just as a single drop of water can create ripples in a pond, a few moments of stillness can create ripples of calm in your mind and body. Some believe that meditation is solely for the spiritually inclined. They see it as a mystical practice, divorced from the realities of daily life. However, meditation is not confined to any particular belief system. It's a tool for self-discovery, available to everyone regardless of their faith or background. The benefits of meditation extend far beyond the spiritual realm. It's been proven to reduce stress, improve focus, enhance creativity, and even promote physical healing. It's a practical tool for navigating the challenges of modern life, not an escape from them. So why, despite the numerous benefits and the debunking of common myths, do so many struggle to maintain a meditation practice? One reason is the lack of guidance and support. It can be daunting to go on a new journey without a map or a compass. Another obstacle is our own impatience. We live in a world that demands instant gratification, and meditation doesn't always yield immediate results. We expect to feel transformed after a single session, forgetting that true change takes time and commitment. Additionally, the demands of daily life can easily derail our best intentions. We start with enthusiasm, but soon find ourselves overwhelmed by work, family, and other obligations. Meditation gets pushed to the back burner, and before we know it, weeks or even months have passed. The good news is, these barriers are not insurmountable. By understanding the true nature of meditation, setting realistic expectations, and finding the right support, anyone can cultivate a lasting practice. The journey may not always be easy, but the rewards are immeasurable. A calmer mind, a more joyful heart, and a deeper connection to yourself. These are just a few of the treasures that await you on the path of meditation. But what if there was a different way, A way that didn't require you to become a Zen master or carve out hours from your already packed schedule. A way that's simple, accessible, and fits seamlessly into your daily life. That's where this new approach comes in. It's a meditation technique designed for real people with real lives. It's about stripping away the complexity and focusing on what truly matters, finding peace and balance in the present moment. Gone are the days of struggling to clear your mind completely. This new approach accepts the natural flow of your thoughts, teaching you to observe them without judgment. It's like watching clouds drift across the sky. You acknowledge their presence, but you don't get caught up in them. The beauty of this technique is its simplicity. It doesn't require any special skills or equipment, just a willingness to pause and tune into your inner world. And the best part? It only takes a few minutes each day. Yes, you heard that right. Just a few minutes to reap the incredible benefits of meditation. Science has proven time and again the profound power of meditation. It's not just about feeling good in the moment. It's about rewiring your brain for greater well-being. Studies have shown that regular meditation can reduce stress hormones, improve focus and concentration, boost creativity, and even strengthen your immune system. Now that we've dispelled the myths and piqued your curiosity, let's dive into the practice itself. This simple meditation will guide you to connect with your breath, release tension, and find a sense of calm in the present moment. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down. You can close your eyes or keep them softly open, whatever feels most natural to you. Begin by taking a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly and fully, then exhaling completely. As you breathe, notice the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. Feel the air entering and leaving your nostrils. Let your breath be your anchor, your guide to the present moment. If your mind starts to wander, don't worry. That's perfectly normal. Gently acknowledge the thoughts that arise. Then let them go like leaves floating down a stream. Return your attention to your breath, your anchor in the present. As you continue to breathe, scan your body for any tension. Notice any tightness in your shoulders, jaw, or anywhere else. With each exhale, imagine that tension melting away, like snow under the warm sun. Stay with this practice for as long as you feel comfortable. There's no right or wrong amount of time. Even a few minutes can make a difference. Recall that consistency is key. The more you practice, the easier and more natural it will become. Feel free to customize this meditation to suit your preferences. You can add gentle music, nature sounds, or affirmations. You can even try different postures or breathing techniques. The most important thing is to find what resonates with you and makes you feel at peace. The beauty of this meditation technique is its adaptability. It can seamlessly weave into your daily routine, enhancing your life rather than disrupting it. Start small. Just a few minutes each day is enough to make a difference. Choose a time that works best for you, whether it's first thing in the morning to set a positive tone for the day, or in the evening to unwind and release tension before bed. Morning meditation can be a powerful way to greet the day with clarity and focus. It sets a calm and centered foundation, allowing you to approach challenges with greater ease. Evening meditation, on the other hand, can be a soothing ritual to help you let go of the day's stresses and prepare for restful sleep. Finding a quiet space can enhance your meditation experience, but it's not always necessary. If you can carve out a peaceful corner in your home, great. But even if you're in a busy office or a bustling cafe, you can still create a sense of inner stillness. Simply close your eyes, focus on your breath, and let the world fade away for a few precious moments. As with any new skill, there will be moments when meditation feels challenging. Your mind might wander, your body might fidget, and doubts may creep in, but recall that these are all natural parts of the process. A wandering mind is not a failure, it's a human experience. When you notice your thoughts drifting, gently bring your attention back to your breath. There's no need to judge or criticize yourself. Just observe and return to the present moment. Impatience is another common hurdle. We often expect instant results, but meditation is a journey, not a destination. The benefits unfold gradually, like a flower blooming in its own time. Trust the process. Be patient with yourself and celebrate even the smallest victories. Life can throw unexpected obstacles in your path: a hectic schedule, a noisy environment, physical discomfort. But don't let these challenges deter you. With a little creativity, you can find ways to try meditating for shorter periods throughout the day. Use headphones to block out distractions, or experiment with different postures to find what's most comfortable for you. The rewards of this simple practice extend far beyond the moments you spend in meditation. As you consistently make time for this inner stillness, you'll start to notice a ripple effect that touches every aspect of your life. One of the most profound benefits is stress reduction. In our fast-paced world, stress hormones like cortisol can wreak havoc on our minds and bodies. But meditation acts as a powerful antidote, lowering cortisol levels and activating the relaxation response. Imagine feeling calmer, more centered, and better equipped to handle life's inevitable challenges. Meditation isn't just about relaxation, it's also about sharpening your mental focus. In a world filled with distractions, the ability to concentrate is a precious gift. Regular meditation trains your mind to stay present, improving your attention span and enhancing your productivity. Picture yourself effortlessly focusing on tasks, completing them with greater efficiency and enjoyment. Beyond the mental realm, meditation nourishes your emotional well-being. It fosters a deeper understanding of your emotions, allowing you to navigate them with greater wisdom and compassion. Anxiety loses its grip as you develop a sense of inner peace. Mood swings become less frequent as you cultivate a more balanced emotional state. And self-awareness blossoms, revealing your true strengths and potential. The benefits don't stop there. Many people experience improved sleep, waking up feeling refreshed and energized. Creativity flourishes as your mind becomes more open and receptive. Relationships deepen as you develop greater empathy and understanding. Even your physical health can improve as stress-related ailments begin to fade. The transformation that unfolds through daily meditation is nothing short of remarkable. It's not about becoming a different person, but about rediscovering the best version of yourself, the one who is calm, focused, resilient, and radiates joy from within. Are you ready to experience the life-changing power of inner peace? The journey begins with a single step, a single breath. I invite you to take that step today. Commit to this simple meditation practice for just 1 week. Set aside a few minutes each day to connect with your breath, release tension, and find stillness within. Notice how you feel after each session. Are you calmer, more focused, more joyful? Share your experiences, your insights, your triumphs. Let this be the start of a beautiful journey towards a more peaceful, vibrant you. In this whirlwind of life, remind yourself that inner peace isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's not about escaping the world, but about finding strength and balance within it. With this simple meditation practice, you hold the key to unlocking a calmer mind, a happier heart, and a more fulfilling life. It's time to reclaim your peace, one breath at a time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content on mindfulness and well-being.